magsisipagtapos. Ang batang nagkamit ng ikalawang karangalan, JBJ Jones.
Ang galing talaga ni Ma'am. Babae pala. Wala akong lalaki.
Alabang honor yung kwan mo, Vice. Honor. Valedictorian. Oo naman. Ay, kanino nagmana yun. Palagay ko sa naman.
To our guest speaker, our district supervisor, Dr. Roger R. De Padua, our principal, Cristita P. Dampil, GPTA President, Mr. Manuel Castillo, officers of the GPTA, our teachers, parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen,
Thank
good
you.
afternoon.
Parang tatay gusto kong batiin.
Sabihin, salamat oh.
This day is filled with happiness, excitement, sadness, and probably some tears. We will be saying goodbye to our past, and we'll be looking forward to our future. Every day at Antonio G. Llamas, every moment spent with friends and best friends, classmates, supportive school administrator, supportive parents, families, and teachers has brought us closer to what we have become at this time. We are ready to face our future with courage, hope, determination, and ready to make all our dreams come true. As school days commence next school year, I will no longer be with people I have been in the previous years. But we will forever cherish and reminisce the memories of these people, classmates, and best friends. We will always be hopeful that they will also find ways to make their own dreams come true. Soon, memories which are not worthy to recall will fade away. And what will remain are the good ones, the fun and the camaraderie we had together. These are the things which can serve as armors in facing the unknown and uncertainties as we enter the new chapter of our lives. We, graduates, are the product of our mentors who helped us to become what we are now. I learned once that maple leaf actually changes to different colors, depending on the kind of soil and minerals. Each leaf colors serve as a mosaic of many nutrients which help give each individual a leaf of life. Each leaf of a maple tree is what we are now. Our parents, teachers, families, and friends compose the soil, which give us the different nutrients that have been helping us make our own colors. With our colors, we will leave Atlas, reflecting our great mentors. With the colors we have, we will be ready to face challenges and share our nutrients, our capabilities, our wisdom to our society. Kaya't nais kong mabatid ninyo na tayong magsisipagtapos ang kasangga tungo sa pagbabagong anyo ng lipunan. Ito ang tugon sa hamon ng sambayanan. Batid ko na kayong lahat ay ipinagdarasal na sana ang batch na ito ay matagumpay na makatapos ng high school at higit sa lahat magkaroon ng kanya-kanyang degree o natapos sa kolehiyo. maging profesional upang maging instrumento tungo sa pagbabagong anyo ng lipunan na siyang hamon sa amin ng sambayanan. Di po namin kayo bibiguin sa tulong ng poong may kapal. Ipagsusumikapan namin maging matagumpay at di maging suliranin ng pamahalaan. Kami na magsisipagtapos ay magiging daan at kasama sa patuloy na pag-unlad ng bayan ng Maribeles. Salamat sa hamon. Ito ang magsisilbi naming inspirasyon upang makamit ang tagumpay sa pagtahak ng panibagong yugto ng aming buhay. Thank you, God, for all the blessings, love, care, and the good health you have given to each one of us. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for always being there without any regret, for loving me unconditionally. You are my support system, one that I always count on. I love you and will forever be grateful to both of you. Thank you to all my family and relatives. Each and every one of you has influenced me to become optimistic and has given me so much of your time when I needed you most. You taught me how to imbibe the good values in life, and those values inculcated on me will always be treasured. Thanks to all our dear parents and families who are here today for helping and supporting your children and for doing as much as you can for all of us. I would also want to say thank you to our teachers for not just being our teachers, our great mentors, but also for being our second parent. You have taught us the best way you can. You molded our good character and made us realize, appreciate, and discover things on our own perspectives, which we cannot acquire them all alone by ourselves. And lastly, to all my friends and best friends, thank you for everything. Our experiences together are so memorable. I will miss you more, and you will forever be in my heart. I wish you all the best in the world. Hold on to our good memories together. They are something that no one can ever take away from us. This might be the end of our journey in elementary, but we must remember that this is the start of our legacy in Antonio Gil Llamas as we begin our high school years. To all my co-graduates and their proud parents, a happy graduation day. Good luck and may God bless us all. Thank you and mabuhay.
Galing-galing naman ang anak mo. Parang yung tatay yung gusto kong katingin. Ay, wala pang kain.